Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or any other browser and use Google Play Store on Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. So as you can see, I opened the website but nothing works. Let's try going to YouTube as well. The same problem. Now we can move to Google Play Store and try installing any game. There's also an error. Now let's move to our settings to fix that. Now scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Here go for date and time and enable to use network provided time. From here our Google Play Store and Google Chrome should already be fixed. So you can install any game or app and visit any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.